In today's video, I'm just going to give you another example of a trade setup and trigger, and this is with a recent setup that we had in AVGO, where we found some symmetry with some of these prior declines within the general uptrend, and it also just happened to overlap near a 618 retracement of a prior swing. So this was the setup zone, okay? Or you had actually a couple of zones. You had 252, 254.96, and you also had 257.36, 258.07. So if that's the setup, what do you do to trigger an entry? Well, you go down to a lower time frame chart for a swing trade, either a 15-minute or a 30-minute chart. The 15-minute chart entry is the more aggressive entry, and it will get stopped out more often. The 30-minute, you won't get stopped out as much. But, you know, you have to weigh the differences. You'll get in quicker with the 15. So what happened here was we tested the key support. Here's the 15-minute chart, and I'm going to show you the trigger. The trigger is essentially where you had the 834 EMA crossover to the upside after, you know, testing the support. And in that process, you also took out a prior swing high. So at this point, you could have been a buyer, and this actually occurred yesterday, where you did have a buy signal on both the 15 and the 30-minute chart. And then your initial stop could have been placed either underneath this low that was made prior to your buy trigger, or underneath the low end of the zone, which would have been underneath 257.36. Okay, you just have to choose which way you're going to, you know, place your initial stops. And it has started to play out, though I don't have a key upside target until this 288.27 area. So there is still a chance to get involved in this name on pullback. So that's what I would look at this point. But obviously the lowest risk entry was where you tested the support and where you triggered right over here. So that's what I'm looking at in AVGO, looking for this upside target. If you get a pullback, that'll be another opportunity for a possible entry, and hopefully it heads towards the right target.